The brain is an organ that serves as the center of the nervous system. In all vertebrate and most invertebrate animals, the brain is located in the head, usually close to the sensory organs for senses such as vision. The brain is the most complex organ in a vertebrate's body. In a human, the cerebral cortex contains approximately 1533 billion neurons, each connected by synapses to several thousand other neurons. These neurons communicate with one another by means of long protoplasmic fibers, called axons, which carry trains of signal pulses called action potentials to distant parts of the brain or body targeting specific recipient cells. If you would split the brain right down the middle into two symmetrical, or equal parts, you would have a right and left hemisphere. Although equal in size, these two sides are not the same, and do not carry out the same functions. The left side of the brain is responsible for controlling the right side of the body. It also performs tasks that have to do with logic, such as in science and mathematics. On the other hand, the right hemisphere coordinates the left side of the body, and performs tasks that have to do with creativity and the arts. Both hemispheres are connected by the corpus callosum and serve the body in different ways. Cerebral circulation is the movement of blood through the network of cerebral arteries and veins supplying the brain. The rate of the cerebral blood flow in the adult is typically 750 milliliters per minute, representing 15% of the cardiac output. The arteries deliver oxygenated blood, glucose and other nutrients to the brain, and the veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart, removing carbon dioxide, lactic acid, and other metabolic products. Postcentral is classically the site of the somatosensory cortex. This region is selective to body area sensation. Classically, stimulation of this area via electrical current yield the feeling of being touched in the area of the body coded for at that location. Research has documented activation in the superior temporal as a result of 5 specific social inputs, and thus the superior temporal is assumed to be implicated in social perception. It showed increased activation with precentral is a part of the motor control system. Precentral gyrus include the SMA and pre-SMA. Evidence has suggested that this region is involved in the creation of motor programs that are subsequently carried out by motor cortex. Pre versus SMA proper is a division that reflects primary. Research has documented activation in the superior temporal as middle temporal. Exact function is unknown, but it has been connected with processes as different as contemplating distance,